Rogi's Hiccups! It's a beautiful morning. Rogi overslept and is heading to the repair shop now.
Hannah!
Oh, Rogi! Did you just get up?
Yep, I start work in the afternoon today. Huh? What's all that?
Huh? Oh, I picked up new engine oil for you guys. This new oil will really boost your engine strength.
Wow! Can I have some, please?
Not yet. You have to wait for the others.
But I want it now.
They're going to be here soon. Just wait.
Hannah!
Oh?
Hannah! Oh, there's something wrong with the video training screen.
Really? Let's go take a look. I'll be back in a minute, Rogi.
Oh. Okay, here we go.
See you later! Huh?
Okay. Thank you, Hannah.
No problem. Huh? Now where did I leave that engine oil? I can't see it anywhere.
La 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 la. Maybe I drank too much.
Oh, Rogi must have drunk all of the engine oil.
I ended up drinking all 4 of them. I hope it's okay.
He didn't leave any engine oil for his friends.
It did boost my energy, just like Hannah said it would.
Oh?
Hello, I'm Rogi, the super bus.
A super bus?
You're a funny bus.
Nice to meet you, Superbus.
Here we go, everyone. La 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 la. Huh? I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. What should I do? It won't stop.
Oh my!
You're hardly a super bus.
You're not a Superbus. You're a blooper bus.
I'm so sorry. You'll have to take the next bus.
Huh? Isn't that Rogi? What's going on? Rogi?
Hi, Tayo.
Is something wrong?
What do you mean? No, nothing's wrong.
Really? Oh, well that's good.
I'll catch you later.
Huh? Oh, Hiccups? Rogi rushed back to the garage because of his hiccups.
Maybe it's because of all the engine oil I drank. What should I do?
Oh, hi, Rogi.
Hi, Hannah.
Welcome back. You look tired.
No. I'm okay.
Hey, Rogi,
Yeah?
have you seen the engine oil I showed you? I can't seem to remember where I left it.
I haven't seen it.
Really? Where did I leave it? Huh? Oh? What was that?
It was nothing. I was just,
Huh?
Rogi!
You done with work?
Yes, I am. So are you feeling better?
Huh?
Well, it seemed like your hiccups were pretty bad. I saw everything.
Come to think of it, weren't you just hiccuping?
No, I'm okay now.
Let's go over to the repair shop so I can take a look.
Huh?
No, it's okay. You don't have to do that. I feel fine, really.
See, you're hiccuping again.
That wasn't a hiccup. That was a burp.
Rogi, it might happen when you're working, so let me take a look.
But I feel fine.
Oh, come on now.
I'm really okay.
Go on.
I'm in trouble. Now she's gonna find out. Oh no, what should I do?
Rogi okay?
I don't see anything wrong with him.
I'm so glad.
See? I told you I was okay.
Huh?
Just in case, I think you should take a break from work tomorrow.
Huh? But I'm feeling fine.
No, you have to think about the safety of your passengers.
Yeah, Rogi. You should take a day off.
Okay.
Tayo, isn't it your day off tomorrow? Could you work in Rogi's place?
Sure.
Sorry for the trouble.
Oh, it's okay. You know I like going out to work.
You should both get ready to go to sleep.
Okay. Good night, Hannah.
See you tomorrow.
Good night, guys.
Tayo, the little bus.
It's the next morning. There's Tayo working Rogi's route.
I wonder if Rogi's okay.
Tayo!
Hi, Nori.
Didn't you say it was your day off, Tayo?
Oh, yeah. I'm just filling in for Rogi.
Really? Why? What happened to Rogi?
Oh, well, Rogi has a case of the hiccups.
Hiccups?
Yeah, even Hannah doesn't know what's wrong. Do you have any ideas?
Oh, why don't you go see Matt?
Matt?
Aha! He's the subway train who knows everything.
He knows everything? Do you really think he knows how to stop hiccups?
Of course. He has the answer to everything.
So, where do I go to find him?
Oh, just look for the blue bridge.
Thanks, Nori. I can't wait to tell Rogi.
Am I ever gonna stop?
Rogi!
Hi, Tayo.
Rogi, you have to come with me.
Where are we going?
To Met, the subway train. I heard he knows everything, so he'll help you stop hiccuping.
Really?
Uh-huh. Come on, let's go.
Okay.
With the help of several friends, Tayo and Rogi look for the blue bridge where they can meet Met, the subway who knows everything.
This is it, the blue bridge. He's supposed to be here somewhere.
Tayo, it's a subway train.
Excuse me, just a second.
Huh?
Hello, my name is Tayo. Are you Met, the subway who knows everything?
Knows everything? That's me. I'm the one and only Met.
Wow, we found you. I have to ask you something, sir.
Your name's Tayo? What is it that you want to ask me?
Well, we've tried everything, but my friend over there can't stop hiccuping.
Hello.
Hiccups. How long have you had it?
Since yesterday.
Yesterday. Did you by any chance eat something in secret?
No. How did he know?
Rogi is not that kind of bus.
He didn't?
Huh?
Well, that's really weird.
Tayo really trusts me. But I was greedy and drank all the engine oil.
Do you know of any way we can stop his hiccups?
To be honest, I'm not quite sure.
What? Well, I thought you knew everything.
I'm sorry, Tayo.
Well, okay. Oh,
Well, it's getting late, so you better go home now.
okay. I guess we'll see you later.
Bye.
Yeah, I should tell Tayo everything. Tayo.
Yeah?
Was I too loud?
Oh, you scared us.
How is it now?
How's what?
I mean your hiccups. Didn't they stop?
Oh, you're right!
Yay!
Woohoo! Wow, they're really gone now!
The best remedy for hiccups is always a good surprise.
That's amazing. It's true, Matt. You really do know everything.
Thanks, Matt!
I'm really glad your hiccups went away.
Tayo, I have something to tell you.
Oh, what is it?
I'm sorry, Tayo. I'm the one that drank all the new engine oil, even yours.
Rogi?
I'm sorry. The hiccups must have been punishment for my greed.
Oh, wow! That means that Met was right!
You'll start hiccuping when you eat something in secret.
Tayo, aren't you mad at me?
It's okay. No matter how it started, you told me the truth in the end. And you know what, Rogi? I know I can always find new engine oil, but I think it would be pretty hard to find another good friend like you.
Tayo!
You must be the closest of friends.
So, how was the engine oil?
Rogi is deeply grateful for Tayo's help. I have a feeling they've become even closer than before.
Speeding is dangerous.
Tayo is driving along the river on his day off.
Hi, Tayo.
Hello, Shine. Huh? You look different today.
Is it that obvious? Actually, I put on the latest tires.
Oh, so that's it.
Look, aren't they cool? I can go a lot faster now.
Wow, they're really awesome.
Huh?
Out of my way! Ah, that was close.
Speedy!
You guys, I'm sorry. Did I scare you?
Why were you going so fast? And what if you had gotten into an accident?
No worries. I'm the fastest car in the world, so I zip my way around anything.
Whatever.
You're the fastest?
Yep. You won't find anyone around who's faster than me.
Don't count on it.
What?
Thanks to my new tires, you'll be eating my dust.
You think you can beat me just because you have new tires?
Of course I can beat you.
Then let's have a race to see who's faster.
A race? Fine.
Hey, guys!
Ready? Go!
You'll never beat me.
Oh, no! It's dangerous to go that fast!
Ooh, that's not bad.
Huh?
Woo! Ha-ha! Oh? You think you can keep up?
No! I don't believe this.
I told you I'm the fastest.
It's a quiet day, and the road seems to be empty.
It's pretty peaceful for a change. It's Speedy being reckless. Shine as well?
Those guys, they must be out of their minds.
Let's catch up with them.
Okay.
Are you ready to give up?
It isn't over yet.
You guys, you could have gotten into a big accident at that speed.
That was dangerous.
We're sorry.
Hey, guys! I told you it was dangerous!
I've had enough of this. Once more, and you're both off the road.
What? Off the road?
That's too harsh.
Drive slowly, then.
Remember, guys, last chance.
Okay.
Well, we'll be on our way now.
Goodbye.
So how do we know who won?
Who won? Isn't it obvious I won?
What do you mean? I was just about to pass you.
I was ahead of you the entire time, so stop whining.
You'd be following me if I started the race.
That's a bunch of nonsense.
You want to have another race?
Oh, no. They're at it again.
Hey, what are you guys up to?
Met, how are you?
I am the
What's going on?
car in the world.
Huh?
I'm faster than you.
Oh, they're arguing about who's the fastest.
I understand. Speedy, Shine. There's really no point in arguing.
Huh?
Do you know who the fastest vehicle on wheels is?
The fastest vehicle?
On wheels?
It's the high-speed train.
The high-speed train?
Yep. You may be fast, but you can't be faster than the high-speed train. So please, stop your arguing and go back home.
You know everything, don't you, Matt?
I'll be off then.
See you, Matt.
Take care of yourselves.
I hope they don't argue anymore.
If the high-speed train is the fastest, then that's who we should be racing.
The high-speed train?
If we can beat the high-speed train, we'll be the fastest cars in the world.
That's a good idea.
What?
Let's go and find the high-speed train.
Okay, let's go.
Hey, guys!
This is a good spot. Anyway, what's taking Shine so long?
Hey! Sorry I'm late.
Where have you been?
Oh, I had to do something.
Shall we start? There aren't any cars around, so we can drive as fast as we want. Plus, the police don't come here very often.
This is really dangerous.
Not if we race here.
I may have lost earlier, but not this time.
Well, I'll go first then. Oh, there he comes.
Tayo, the little bus.
Ready? Go! I'll show you who's the fastest. Huh?
He's falling behind.
I thought that would happen.
I don't think I can go any further.
Speedy! Are you okay?
He's too fast. There's no way I can beat him.
Okay, it's my turn now.
You'll be no match for him either.
We'll see about that.
Here he comes again.
There's no way he'll win.
Ready? Go!
Huh?
Shine's catching up with the train! Oh, he's falling back again!
Told you so.
I knew this would happen, so I modified my engine. Full throttle! Let's go!
Huh? Impossible! How can he be that fast?
What do you think? I won, right? I'm the fastest car in the world!
What's going on?
Let's go!
Smoke is billowing from his engine.
Try to stop Shine!
But I can't! I can't control my wheels! Somebody save me!
Oh no! Shine! Shine! Are you okay?
I think I'm okay.
So what happened back there?
The truth is, I didn't want to lose, so I modified my engine.
Huh? What?
I think my engine is broken. I'm sorry.
Why did you do such a dangerous thing?
We'll talk about that later. Forget about it. He's in the way of the train.
Get out of there, Shine!
Huh? What's wrong with me? I can't start my engine. I can't move.
What? This is awful.
We have to get a tow truck.
Let's call Toto.
But it will take too much time for him to get here.
What am I gonna do?
I'll go get him.
Speedy?
I can make it back in time if I drive really fast.
Speedy, come back quick.
Don't worry, Shine. You can count on me. I have to get to Toto.
Speedy zips toward Toto at top speed so he can save Shine.
Huh? No! There's a traffic jam. I'm gonna be late. Huh? There's Rookie and Pat. I can ask them for help. Wait,
Remember, this is your last chance.
what should I do? They might take away my license.
Speedy, come back quick!
The important thing is to save Shine.
Huh? What? You kids raced again?
I'm sorry.
Rookie, we better get going. Shine's in danger.
Okay, Pat. Speedy, you can follow us.
Yes, sir.
Please, make way. It's an emergency.
Sorry.
Pat and Speedy race to the tracks in order to save Shine.
Your tire's stuck. I can't move you.
I'm sorry, Tayo, for everything.
It's all right, Shine. What should we do now? I can't seem to get you out. The high-speed train is coming!
What am I gonna do? Tayo!
Speedy, where is he?
Shine!
Speedy!
You could have been really hurt.
I'm sorry.
It won't ever happen again.
Well, even so.
Rules are rules. For now, you're forbidden from driving.
Okay.
Are you guys okay?
Yes, it's our fault for not keeping the rules. I am never going to race again.
Me neither.
Well, better now than never.
Well, let's all go home now.
Okay.
They could have been in a big accident today. Let's hope Speedy and Shine have learned racing can be dangerous.
Tayo's first drive.
Early in the morning, the little buses are gathered together. What are they up to?
Want to see something funny?
Oh my!
Oh, anyone can do that.
Really? Well, let's see you do it.
Okay, watch me.
I think you need more practice, Rogi.
Huh? Why isn't it working?
And you thought it was easy. Push harder, like this.
That's hilarious!
What's the big deal?
Hey, kids.
Cito!
What brings you here, Hannah?
Well, Cito asked me to play the passenger during today's practice.
Practice? What practice?
Well, today we're gonna teach Tayo how to board passengers at the bus stop.
Yay! I can't wait!
Well, I'll give you a demonstration.
Okay, let's see you do it, Rogi.
Yes, sir.
All right, let's begin.
Okay.
Is it okay if I stand here?
Now watch how the great Rogi does it. It's way cooler than your farting demonstrations.
Sheesh.
Welcome aboard. Off we go. And here we are.
That was fantastic, Rogi.
As always. See that? Now that's how you do it.
I can do that. There's nothing to it.
Okay, Tayo, you give it a go.
Sure. Okay, watch carefully.
Tayo!
You missed the bus stop. No, Tayo. You might hit another car if you back up. Now, open the door.
This should be easy.
Oh my.
This is harder than I thought. I did it!
I'm getting on.
Tayo, you have to say welcome to the passenger.
Welcome aboard!
What was that?
You don't have to mimic her exactly.
I don't sound like that.
Okay, now look around carefully and start off.
Off we go!
Whoa!
Tayo, you have to look around carefully and start off slowly.
Looking around and slowly.
Oh, for heaven's sake.
So, Sito, what did you think?
Well, I think you need more practice.
Really? Oh.
Tayo has a long way to go before he's as good as me.
You used to be just like that.
What? Really?
Yeah.
Oh, where's Tayo?
He said he was going to practice until he gets better.
Wow, I'm impressed.
Hannah!
What's that?
Something's wrong with me, Hannah. I have to go to work, but my engine's acting
Really?
weird. Can you check it out?
Okay. All right, drive onto the ramp. Uh-oh, this doesn't look good.
What's wrong?
I think you'll have to take the day off.
Then we need a bus that can take his place.
Oh no, I have to leave
Yeah.
soon.
And you, Rogi?
Me too.
What should we do?
I'm done practicing!
Huh?
That's it!
Tayo!
Huh? What about me?
That's right, we have Tayo.
But Tayo isn't ready yet.
He's new to it, but I know he can do a good job.
I guess there's no choice. The bus who has to work today broke down, so you'll have to take his place.
What? Me?
Break a leg!
We're counting on you, Tayo.
Oh. Tayo, the little bus!
Tayo ends up driving the shift.
Who knew I would be out on the streets this quickly?
The important thing is to be considerate of passengers. Don't forget to be careful.
This isn't gonna be easy. Huh? A bus stop? Slow and careful. Careful. Careful.
What a slowpoke. Come on, move it.
Oh no! Passed it again!
Open the door, please.
Oh, right, the door! Okay.
Oh, what's wrong with the door?
Oh no!
What's going on?
Something's wrong. I'll try that again. There!
Can we get on now, please?
Yes! Oh, I have to greet them. Welcome aboard!
How clumsy. He must be new at this.
Huh? Yes. Okay, let's go. I wanted to do so well.
Oh dear. Maybe it was too soon.
Concerned about Tayo, Sito has been following him around.
He must be here somewhere. Oh, there he is. Oh, he seems sad. I should go talk to him.
Huh? Sito, what are you doing here?
Shh. We can't get caught.
Oh, you're worried about Tayo. Oh, Tayo looks discouraged.
Lanny, why don't you talk to him?
Sure thing.
I hope I do better at the next stop.
Tayo!
Oh, Lanny!
How's your first day on the job?
I made a bunch of mistakes.
Hey, everybody makes mistakes. It's okay.
But I passed right by the bus stop. And then I couldn't even open the door.
What? That's it? I was worse. I didn't know which way to go, so I kept going around in circles. And I even let people off at the wrong bus stop.
Huh? Where are we?
What?
Huh? It's the wrong bus stop!
I was a disaster on my first day.
You were really like that, Lanny?
You're doing way better than I did.
Are you sure?
Of course. Everybody's nervous their first time out.
Uh-huh.
Cheer up, Tayo. I'll see you later. Good luck.
Thanks, Lanny. Okay, you can do it. Oh, I see a bus stop. Careful, careful. Slowly. That wasn't bad. Next. Oh, I did it!
Okay, on you go.
I don't want to ride the bus. It's scary.
There's no need to be scared, sweetie.
Well,
Come on.
what should I do?
Tayo. I hope he'll be all right.
Cito!
Huh? Oh, Rogi.
What are you doing here?
Shh. You're right on time. Look over there.
It's Tayo.
Shh.
Oh.
I have to do something. How do I show him there's nothing to be afraid of? Oh, I know! Hey, kid! Want to see something funny? Oh no, what should I do? Maybe a bit louder. Hey kid, watch this.
He laughed.
Hooray! It worked!
Whoa!
Oops, that was a mistake.
This bus is hilarious, Mom. That was so funny. Mom, I want to get on this funny bus.
Okay.
That was great.
Toot toot!
Okay, off we go.
That was a bit off the wall, but it did work.
Tayo had a difficult first day, but he learned that a little bit of courage will take you a long way. You'll do even better next time, Tayo.